Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little voiceover video. I just got done shooting a video and I was using some of my swatch sticks, and when I put those up, I looked at these, and these are my Julep nail polish swatches, and I have not used any of my Julep polishes in so long. I thought maybe let me pull out the swatches, show them to you guys, and see if you guys can help me pick a color. Like if there's a color you see and you want to see me use to polish my next set of nails with, I want you guys to pick it out for me, because I'm always super undecisive. There's so many here that I like, but the first one here is Becky. Then we have Beth. The next one is Candace. And the next one is Sharna. And next to Sharna is Margot. It's like a gold. And then Hartley is a Valentine's polish. It has like pretty hearts in it. It's really cute. That one is Lucky. It's from St. Patrick's Day. That one is Hazel, which is a really pretty shade. The yellow one I haven't used yet, but I really like that yellow. It's Dawn, and the one next to it is Amanda. So this one is Fifi. It looks like it's white, or like an off-white, but it's not. It's actually a really light nude pink. It just turned colors from hanging on my nail polish shelf. I messed up on two of these swatches, but I think this one is Denise. I had to scribble out the wrong name. Yeah, I love that shade. This one is Brandis. I really like that shade too. Actually, that purple and that color goes well together. And then this one is Ilga. It's a deep red. It's really pretty too. And then this one is Miriam. It's a really light red, like a bright red color. So you guys pick out which color you like, and if I get more than one answer, I'll try to pick, if you guys pick two different colors or whatever it may be. I know that not a lot of people is gonna comment, but you guys pick out which color you like and leave it in the comments. You can let me know by name, the names that I just read off, or if you say yellow, pink, you know, I'll know which ones you're talking about. So yeah, go ahead and drop a comment on which color you would like to see me polish my nails next with. I want to use the Julep polish. So yeah, thank y'all.